channel in a family vlog. Thanks for watching my video and supporting me. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato rolls. It's very crunchy and tasty. Please try this, very easy to make. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're seeing my video first time, please subscribe. Let's go to kitchen. Maida, boiled potato, curry leaves, chaat masala, crushed cumin seeds, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, onion and water. Heat a pan and add some oil. Add ginger garlic paste. Now we'll put chili powder. Add chaat masala. Add turmeric powder. Add crushed cumin seeds. Off the flame and add onion. Mix it well. Add some curry leaves. Add boiled potato. Mix well. Add salt. The filling is ready. Now we'll make the dough. Add salt to the maida. Add warm water. Add crushed cumin seeds. Knead well. Add some ghee. Now the dough is ready. Close and keep for 15 minutes. Now we'll make small balls. Like this. Now we'll make maida paste. Add some water into maida. the mix is ready. Now make the dough into 2 portions. Spread some maida. Now take the first portion and press it. Like this. Now cut the edges. Cut like this. Now we put the filling and roll it. Now put maida mix on the edge. Now we'll fry this. Dip both edges in maida mix and fry it. At this stage, take it out. Now it's ready. Potato rolls are ready. It's very crispy and crunchy. I hope you liked the video. I'll come back with another video. Bye.